discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. I like your seats, man.
Thank you. Yeah, my brother was going to put them in his race car, and I talked him out of them, so
yeah.
He changed his mind and wanted to go with gray seats instead.
Oh, yeah.
You can leave the box for him in that seat for it if you want that high handle at the bottom. They'll lean forward for you.
Oh, so you actually have your head unit mounted right here?
Yeah, I put it there because, I mean, it knocked it out of the dash immediately, Jacob. I mean,
oh, you're so loud. Yeah.
Yeah, it knocked it out, dude, so I just went ahead and I lost my dad 2 years ago, so the wood,
yes, sir.
My best friend who died of cancer, my dad, he used to have a shovel that he always used for his garden, so that's the handle for it, and then it's aluminum, he sold aluminum.
Really? So, oh, wow, okay.
So my best friend and my dad ride with me.
Okay. This is really nice.
Yes, I call that my alligator. I try to keep it period correct, you know?
Yeah, that looks good.
Well, that's the first time I've ever done that. It took me 2 weeks for that stupid thing.
Yep. The door's pretty solid too.
Yeah, there's 3/4 of an inch of rubber and 2x4s in each door. And,
wow.
And then of course they're all boxed in up here.
Yes, sir. Okay.
This
one?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I got 2 or 3. Alright, there in the car. Did you? Yeah, no better. Thank you. Thank you. All my YouTube guys. Yeah, it's getting done. We're gonna run it a little bit.
Yes, I appreciate that. What was that called?
That is
It's like a remix, I'm sure.
Yeah, it is. It's off of let me see what his name is, man.
That was pretty cool, man. I appreciate the demo.
Nobody has that. My buddy's like, man, cut me that. I'm like, nah.
Nah,
Man.
yeah.
It's by it's right here. Because a buddy of mine gave it to me, and I was like, I've never heard it before.
Yes, sir.
It's got Derulo on it, you know, solo, but that one in particular, that calls it.
Yep.
Somebody calls it. Like it's right here.
The BETTA.
BETTA.
Thanks for the demo again, man.
Hey, man.
Nice to
always
meet
a
you.
pleasure
That
with
was
you, man.
great.
You're the best, man.
Appreciate it. Thanks for watching.
Hey, man, I've watched you since you started.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.